evening, government makes case for 3-month extension of states of public emergency in Clarendon and St. Catherine. Pro and anti-mining groups descend on Gordon House and still searching. JCF yet to find location for criminal records office.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, Janella, the Energy Minister Favour Williams gave an update on the future of the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica in Parliament today. More on what she had to say in the Business Day.
Thank you, Andrea. From business, we go to sports. Jermaine Brown, what's happening there?
Thank you, Archie. Well, it seems there is a little racket brewing in table tennis. We'll tell you more when you come back.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the arguments for and against mining in areas some say make up the cockpit country? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet @TelevisionJam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.